Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you that will show you how to add text in Canva. So it's a very simple process. Just before I get into it, I'd like to mention that there's a free trial version of Canva available for you. There's a link in the description down below. So if you want to give this all a go, just click that link down below. And like I said, it's very simple to do this in Canva. Once you're into a template or a document and you want to add some text into that, there's a little text feature on the left hand side here, and then you've obviously got the ability to add a text box as well as pick from some presets as well. If I go and start with the text box, you can see with a single left click of that button it appears down here. So if I then give that type whatever I want into it, and then to select that, if you want to retype it, just give it a double click and that'll select it, and then you can replace it with something, and it works just like a word processing package. So I'll place that in the middle of the speech bubble, for example, double click it, and then the options for the text then appear in the top left hand corner here, things like the font and the size and the formatting, and then you can scale that right up, for example, and then click off it for a second and then recenter it. And it is that simple. Okay, so obviously then you've got some presets as well that you can browse and use from. Pick a template as well that's kind of uses text that you'd like, that kind of suits your needs and closest resembles what you want. And then once you pick one of those templates, you just double click that text, like I said, to modify it. Okay, and that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there's a link in the description for this video which will take you to a free version of Canva, so you can give this all a go for yourself. And if you've enjoyed that video and you want to see more content of this nature, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And then if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.